Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a small trick about your smartphone camera. How to use your smartphone camera as a webcam in your desktop and laptop in full HD. Even you can use a front and rear camera. So for that we need a Windows PC as well, and you just install a application like name iVCam for Windows PC, and you can find the same software in Android store, which is Google Play Store and also Apple Store. So let's start. Okay, so I have the URL of the software for PC. I'll be mentioning PC in my video description, this link. Okay, so just copy the link here, go to browser and paste and go here. So just click on the download for Windows. Okay, and it will be downloading for the Windows version. So after download, just install the software. Okay, I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install it. Okay, and you will be find this software here from the download folder. It's all about only the 17 MB software. Okay, after installing, okay, and just so after install in your PC, you just go to your Android smartphone and search for the iVCam software. This is the software, and install it. After install, you just open the software from here. Click on allow. Okay, just one more thing, you just make sure your PC connected to the same network. Like I have connected here my Wi-Fi. Okay, and here also connected to my same Wi-Fi network. Okay, I'm just one thing telling you, this app can work through Wi-Fi and also USB cable. Okay, so now I'm showing you through the Wi-Fi connection or your home network connection. So now after opening the app from phone, just I'll start the app iVCam from my system. Here is my application, just click on that. Okay, now it's showing my phone is connected, Honor is connected. So I'll be showing you the screen here. Now you can see my desktop through my phone camera. Here you can use your phone camera as a webcam. Also you can use the front camera. So this is the app called iVCam. In your Apple phone, you can also download from the App Store and just connect like this way. And if you want to connect this app through USB cable, you need to enable the developer mode and just enable the USB debugging option, and then you can connect through USB also. So here is the final video. Thanks for watching my video. Take care, bye. And would request you, if you might like my videos, please do like and subscribe. Thanks, bye bye.